It was the sweetest, most mysterious-looking garden anyone could ever imagine. The deep foliage seemed to protect it from the outside world. And at times stopped as two fairies fluttered into their sanctuary. You could almost hear the sound of the trees as they connected with the earth, the beat of the butterfly's wings flowing through your hair, the feel of a ladybug landing on your skin. Forgotten sensations came alive in this dreamy place of lush greenery and blooming flowers, and performed perfect, tiny miracles of nature just for us.